It's a pretty flower. They're blooming already. The flowers. It's mean this April and May. It's what's that wood dogs celebration or because that's I'm not sure. That's the flowers outside in front of our house and it's beautiful day today. It's sunshine. It's mean it's time to have garden outside, but it's still I'm cold. I'm afraid to go outside. I'm afraid to go outside. I guess if I don't do it, I guess one of these day I go outside in the backyard. Yeah, that's pretty. It's pretty flowers. Yes, beautiful day, sunshine today. It's summer is coming.